full-size pickup trucks remain the best-selling vehicles in the U. Hyundai saw an opportunity to fill that gap with the compact Santa Cruz. It combines the comfort and capability of a compact SUV with the utility of an open cargo bed. Along with the Ford Maverick, the Santa Cruz helped to reignite interest in smaller trucks. While they can't tow or haul as much as full-size models, small pickups have other significant benefits. They're easier to maneuver, more fuel-efficient, and more fun to drive, not to mention less expensive. Available with a choice of 2 engines, front or all-wheel drive, and a wide variety of trim levels, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz can play the part of a budget pickup or a loaded-up lifestyle activity vehicle. Well, get ready to witness the all-new era of versatility, maneuverability, and pure driving fun. What's new for 2024? For the 2023 model year, the Hyundai Santa Cruz remains largely unchanged. However, get ready for the 2024 upgrade that brings exciting improvements. The 2024 Santa Cruz bids farewell to the SEL Premium trim while introducing the feature-rich XRT model. Embrace the enhanced driving experience with a larger infotainment touchscreen and dual-zone climate control options on select trims. Plus, enjoy upgraded LED headlights across all Santa Cruz models. Safety gets an extra boost with haptic feedback through the steering wheel. Now, let's jump into the interior. Step inside the Hyundai Santa Cruz, and you'll be greeted with one of the most luxurious cabins you'll find in mid-size pickups. Hyundai has mastered the art of crafting vehicles with premium materials and modern features that rival those found in more expensive rides. The Santa Cruz proudly leads the pack by offering the first fully digital gauge cluster in its class, a cutting-edge touch that adds to its allure. And let's not forget the thoughtful design choice of a traditional shifter on the center console, providing a sense of familiarity and ease. With its 4-door crew cab, the Santa Cruz maximizes passenger space in both the front and back, competing head-to-head with similarly sized trucks. Though the cargo bed measures around 4 feet, don't be fooled by its size. It's surprisingly versatile. The bed comes equipped with a lockable tonneau cover and a handy-in-bed trunk, much like the offerings from Honda. Convenience and security are at the forefront here. Compared to the Ford Maverick, the Santa Cruz stands slightly shorter but a few inches wider, resulting in nearly identical passenger volume. However, neither truck boasts ample rear legroom, and the Santa Cruz's flat and upright seats might not be the coziest on long journeys. But fear not, as flip-up 60/40 split lower rear seat cushions add some flexibility to the mix. When it comes to storage, the Santa Cruz doesn't disappoint. While interior space for your belongings is at a premium, there's no shortage of ingenuity. The truck offers lockable storage in the cabin and the bed, including a convenient storage area under the bed, which cleverly doubles as an ice chest, complete with a drain plug perfect for keeping things cool on your adventures. Let's talk truck bed. Although slightly shorter than the Mavericks, the Santa Cruz's bed is a master of versatility. When the tailgate is open, it even gains a 2.8-inch advantage over the Mavericks, boasting an impressive 72 inches of space. This wide bed can effortlessly handle sheets of building materials laid flat, proving that size doesn't compromise capability. Moving on, engine and performance. The Santa Cruz comes with 2 different powertrain choices. The standard setup features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. While it's a decent choice, those seeking an adrenaline rush might want to steer towards the upgraded engine, a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4, packing a punch with 281 horses and 311 pound-feet of torque. Trust us, the added power and punchier responses take the Santa Cruz to a whole new level of exhilaration. Both engine options come paired with 8-speed automatic transmissions, but the turbocharged variant gets the extra edge with a dual clutch variety, enhancing its performance even further. And for those craving an all-terrain adventure, fear not. All-wheel drive is available for both 4-cylinder options, making sure you conquer any road in style. The Santa Cruz's nimble size, shorter and lower than its segment rivals, makes it a breeze to maneuver around town. But don't let its compact frame fool you. The Santa Cruz's refined ride and agile handling, especially evident in the top-of-the-line limited model, will leave you in awe. The standard 4-cylinder engine already provides more than adequate performance, But the turbocharged option transforms the Santa Cruz into an absolute joy to drive responsive, thrilling, and packing plenty of power. In fact, with the turbo engine, this beast can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 7 seconds, delivering an exhilarating amount of zip that'll leave you grinning from ear to ear. The Santa Cruz's suspension complements its power perfectly, offering excellent handling that'll have you questioning whether you're driving a pickup or a sports car. And for the fuel economy, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz certainly doesn't disappoint, proving that it's not just an ordinary truck. With the base 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and front-wheel drive, the Santa Cruz earns an impressive EPA rating of 22 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. Talk about efficiency. And even with the added all-wheel drive, the Santa Cruz still maintains a commendable highway mileage of 25 mpg. And for those craving an extra boost of power from the turbocharged version, you'll find yourself with estimates of 19 mpg in the city and a remarkable 27 mpg on the highway. The Santa Cruz proves that you can have the best of both worlds, power and fuel efficiency. Towing and payload capacity. While the unibody construction of the Hyundai Santa Cruz sets it apart from its body-on-frame rivals like the Jeep Gladiator and Toyota Tacoma, it still holds its own in the towing department. While it may not match the towing capabilities of its body-on-frame competitors, such as the Gladiator and Tacoma, the Santa Cruz is on par with the only other unibody truck in its class, the Ridgeline. Both the Santa Cruz and the Ridgeline boast a respectable towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, but it's worth noting that this capacity is achievable with the Hyundai's more potent turbocharged engine. On the other hand, if you opt for the standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, the towing capacity is slightly reduced, capping at 3,500 pounds. Nevertheless, the Santa Cruz still holds its ground, offering versatility and capability for a wide range of towing needs. So, whether you're hauling camping gear or towing a small trailer, the Santa Cruz proves to be a reliable companion on your adventures. How about the infotainment and connectivity? Hyundai has pulled out all the stops when it comes to the Santa Cruz's infotainment system, ensuring you're equipped with the latest and greatest technology. At the heart of it all is the contemporary infotainment setup, featuring a standard 8.0-inch touchscreen with the option to upgrade to a larger 10.3-inch screen for an even more immersive experience. But here's the twist: we can't help but think that Hyundai might have missed the mark by omitting physical controls, a small but significant misstep in an otherwise remarkable system. The Santa Cruz has plenty of connectivity options to keep you on the cutting edge. Alongside wireless device charging for your smartphones, the truck offers wireless pairing for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless integration with your favorite devices. And for those audiophiles out there, feast your ears on the available 8-speaker Bose sound system, delivering an unparalleled audio experience that'll make every drive a concert-like sensation. Hyundai takes connectivity to a whole new level with its Blue Link services, available free of charge for 3 years. With this fantastic feature, you can remotely start the truck, lock and unlock doors, and perform a myriad of tasks through the internet, a range of apps, and even Amazon Alexa, all at the touch of a button or the sound of your voice. Thanks for tuning in to explore the exciting world of the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Don't miss the chance to be part of the pickup revolution. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to hit the road with the Santa Cruz. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Which feature has you most excited? Until next time, keep on exploring, keep on driving, and keep on conquering the road ahead.